Reading skills, it is very much important that parents never give up. Maybe possible that child is not able to respond what you are asking, but never give up. Other than reading books, you can use a many alternative methods. Highlight the text, personalize the content, practice some problem solving skills with them, and
Hi, Dr. Preeti.
yeah.
Are you seeing writing skill strategies or is the slides not changing for you yet?
Pardon?
Are you seeing the right slides? Because the slides that I'm showing is the writing skill strategies.
Can
Maybe
we move to the next slide?
I
Yeah,
have.
I have not started the writing skills yet.
Okay, got it, got it. Okay, cool. Sorry.
So
Yes.
here in the writing skills, our focus was mainly for children with dyslexia or dyslexia, ADD or ADHD, dysgraphia. So for younger kids also, we asked parents to involve writing skills in their master plans. Uh, we suggested some strategies to them, like use various worksheets for them. Some must be pictorial, some must be written part will be there. Use different material for writing to create their interest and connect the interlink between what you are doing and what you are learning. Use technology and modeling technique for writing. If you are writing on laptop or computer, and I have seen many kids who are imitating their parents. So I can say that children love to write if they are inspired. So every morning, if they see you doing some writing work, definitely. So you have to make a schedule for writing every day. When we work on the writing skills, actually, we are helping them to develop the ability to explain themselves. We are helping them to improve their communication skills. We are helping them to improve focus and connect with yourself. And we increase their knowledge, creativity, and imagination. And also equip them with the communication and thinking skills. So, what I feel writing skills are very much important. And nowadays, many boards are giving many provisions to the children with special needs, especially with regards to writing skills. Scribe facility is there, and even extra time is there. So the children, especially with the dyslexia or dyslexia, they get those facilities. But the children with ADD, ADHD, if it is not mentioned in their report that writing extra time or scribe has to be given, then definitely they need some skills to be developed. But for younger kids, we can do wonders. We can do many work. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you're
Hello?
audible.
Okay. So usually when we see the writing skills in senior children, we see that they lack vocabulary. They fail in structuring their ideas effectively. Their grammar and syntax skills are poor. So their formatting is not good. So that's why we focus more when we ask parents to make a master plan for them to include the writing skills also in that.